Hello my friends, and welcome back. In today's live programming video, we're going to do some work on Komorebi, the tiling window manager for Windows. Today I wanted to take a look at splitting up the Komorebi crate, this one, into a 2-in-1 crate. So that would expose both a library and a binary. And the end goal of this is to be able to export a new crate, I think. So we'll have a new crate here called Komorebi-client that other Rust processes can consume. And I think it will just hold all of the re-exported types from the Komorebi crate. And the reason I want to do it this way is because I want to keep as many of these files in place as possible and not mess with the project structure too much. So I thought this would be the best way to go about it. All of these files can stay where they are in terms of the project tree. However, we do get to benefit from the separation of common types that others might like to use into a dedicated library. I have never done this before, so this should be fun. I guess we can start with some Google. How to split a bin into a bin and lib crate Rust. Oh man, this is 2014. I'm not sure if this is still... Oh. I think that's all you need to do. Lib and main. We don't have multiple binaries, we just have Komorebi in that crate. So let's try the simple approach, shall we? Let's try the simple approach. So if I have main.rs, can I add lib.rs? Reload project. Let's see what's happened here. So pub struct test type for the library, and that can be a string, whatever. I don't particularly care about that. But we have a type here. So now I wonder, can we do Komorebi test type for the library? Very nice indeed. So now begins the tricky part. Let's see. So I think that oh my god, this is gonna be difficult. All right, so let's start by having pub use window manager. Wait. That's not right. How do you... Oh, you have to do pub mod first. So this is gonna make... Oh my god, this is gonna be a mess. Alright, so we've just done this, and I'm sure we have broken a bajillion things. Oh my god, why did I choose to do this? Well, I know why I chose to do this, because I want to have Komorebi integration with zbar. Zbar, if you didn't see in the previous video, oh, there we go. is the brand new standalone bar written in Rust and TypeScript. And it's a standalone thing. You can create your own providers, and the best way to create a provider for this is to expose a Rust interface, which is what we're gonna do. So we also need border. We also need window. We also need Windows callbacks. We also need Windows API. Alright, I think we're getting there. So why don't we just go in order, right? Or, okay, so why don't we match up the exports? So we can do pub use Windows API. Like maybe that. Yeah, I think that's a better way to go about this. Damn, this is a tricky one. These globals, where are they gonna go? Where are they gonna go? I don't know. I don't know. I guess we can bring com into here. Wherever this comes from, we need to have ring in here as well. Pub mod ring. Oh gosh. Just an exercise in masochism. Have you added macro use to the module or import? I have not. Macro use. Okay, that went down by 1. Happy with that. We need one event listener in here. Not twice though. Window manager event. Alright, the number is going down. Let's try to find all the low hanging fruit here. Win event, we also need. Is there a better way for me to just maybe like this? Monitor we need. I'm guessing it's like monitor, workspace, what else? I can just take a look and sort of wing it. Styles probably. Static config probably. Set window position. No doubt process command, process event, and process movement. Well, I have a feeling then for this we should let me just move all the lazy statics. How about that? How about we move all of the lazy statics into the library? Can we do that? Is that okay? Is any of this okay? Alright. So let's do it. Let's get an import to lazy static going. We need container. And so at the same time, we need to remove these from here, right? So let me split and move right. So anything I have in lib, I shouldn't really have here. So let's get rid of border, com, container. We do need hidden in here as well. Get rid of that. We'll get rid of monitor. These ones I've already moved. Window, have I got? Yes, window manager event, Windows API, Windows callbacks, win event listener, and workspace. Wow. So all of these will become Komorebi, but I need to do the exports for these. I need to do pub use process command everything, process event everything, static config everything, window manager everything, window manager event everything, Windows API everything. Alright, now that is looking better. We need to do the same thing here for hidden. Alright, getting there. Then we need to remove these and these because those are now in the library. That can come down here. Great for current virtual desktop. So this also needs to be moved to the library. I'm gonna bring that just here. Gosh. We need our notification stuff here as well. Notify subscribers, we'll bring that in. And we'll fix up the imports later. So this is now So can these be re-exported? I guess that is my big question. Home dir pub static ref. Is that a thing? It is a thing. Excellent. Most excellent. So let's make all of the, well, not all of them, the ones that we need to, we'll make pub. So AHK executable. And then we should be able to import that shortly. Yep. What else? Custom FFM. That is already a pub, so that can be imported. Session ID is also already public. When event listener, we can import that. That has already been made public. Initial configuration loaded is already public. So damn, that's some good work. I got that bit all green. Very nice. Or at least not red. Okay. So create load configuration. So load configuration, that also needs to be moved to the library. I'm gonna add some users in here that I know I need. Use anyhow. Oh, it's not anyhow, is it? It's IRA result. Use serd serialize, serd deserialize, and schema rs JSON schema. I know I need those. $194 errors down to 198. All right, it looks like we're mostly working with the changes in lib now. So when we move this back here, that is a lot of red. That's a lot of damage. That is a lot of damage. So let's go through and, oh, which one did I? So I think we used the mutex from parking lot. I think. I can actually check this here. Parking lot mutex, yeah. Let's bring in ID with identifier, application identifier, matching strategy. Are we bringing down that? Oh wow, 189 to 70 errors. That's not bad. Line 101. Let's bring in the hash map. Let's bring in the rect. We can also bring in the regex. Let's see, 70 down to 50 maybe? 51, close, pretty close. And I could not do this kind of refactor in another language. Like how are you supposed to do this kind of refactor with this sort of confidence without Clippy and the borrow checker and the Rust ecosystem? I could never. I literally could never. You know, it's really funny these days. I come across, you get a lot of videos about how tech is oversaturated, tech is collapsing. If you interested in tech, this is the language or this is the technology that you need to learn. All of that sort of content that you can find on short video platforms now. I still say, right, your best bet is to learn Rust because of the tooling. I think it is actually the easiest language to learn. Like I'm not really using a lot of cognitive effort here. I'm not really doing a lot of reasoning. I just have cargo check running on reload, and I'm just hunting down all of the errors one by one. Ooh, what was that one? H key current user. That is from WinReg. Yeah, so I still encourage people to pick up Rust because it saves you a lot of sanity. Ordering. Where did I use ordering? That is from Sync Atomic, is it? I guess it is. That is from Sync Atomic. Like, can you imagine if you had to do this in frickin' Node.js or TypeScript or Python? I would give up. I would say it has been a good run. Thank you for all the follows and the likes and the stars and the shares, but I am done. I cannot do this. I will not do this. But in the world of Rust, it is a much more sane and pleasant experience. Oh my god, did I do it? I think I did it. Oh my freaking god, I think I did it. Oh my god. Alright, so let's run a just pumped. Let's get all of these in a nice order. Unused import deserialize. Well, actually, we do want to be able to deserialize a lot of stuff. So we will add that deserialize to... Where did the types go? Here, because now we're going to be consuming these in Rust. We want to be a good library and already have deserialized implemented so that other poor folks don't have to wrap these in new types. Maybe I should do this separately. Yeah, I'll do this separately. Let's do the cleanup for now. And then let's try and get this compiling, you know? Oh, deserialize is not implemented for Win. Oh, we're going down the rabbit hole. I started it. When event. Yeah, I guess it's good to do this now. State also doesn't have deserialize. Interesting. Wait, where did I? Yeah, I imported it from the right place. It didn't get imported. So if you're just listening to me saying serialize, deserialize, and you don't know what that means, serializing is when you take a type or an object or a struct like this, and you transform it into a format. In Komorebi, we typically transform it into JSON. And deserializing is when you take a JSON representation of a type or a struct or an object, and you are able to recreate that object in code. So if you didn't know, now you do. Deserialize is not implemented for monitor. Damn, I'm not deserializing anything. Well, now I'm deserializing everything. I hope we are close. I guess I'm just going to go through all of these now. So, deserialize this. And the workspace contains containers, which probably also, yep, don't have that implemented. So we will implement that. And now we're back to the warnings. Very nice. Now hash map. So we're removing all of these now from the main file, because when those functions that we're using these don't actually live here anymore, right? And atomic. I think all of these we don't need anymore. Oh, nope, I needed ordering. Lazy static. We don't need anymore. On line 20. OS info. Regex. JSON schema. Serialize. Unix stream. Which. H key, probably reg key as well. ID with identifier, matching strategy. Yep, we don't need any of these anymore, do we? We do not. Did that just freaking work? No. Stop it. Alright. Just install. If this works, if this freaking works, that is crazy. If this works, you need to go and learn Rust right now. If you're watching this because you're just an end user of Komorebi and you're like, oh, I would like to contribute, but I don't know Rust, I don't know where to start learning Rust. Like, if this doesn't convince you to learn Rust, I'm not sure what will. Like, this would be very difficult to pull off, I think, in any other language. Maybe I could do a decent job in Golang. I definitely could not do this with any level of confidence with any interpreted language, TypeScript included. I can't believe this. Oh my goodness. So let me run cargo Clippy as well. Let's see if Clippy is complaining about anything, because we did that in 30 minutes, less than 30 minutes. Clippy doesn't have anything to say. Clippy is happy with me. What? Alright, let's see if it works. It compiles. It probably works if it compiles. But still. Man, I cannot believe this. I'm at a loss for words. This is so freaking cool. I love these moments when I get excited about technology again. Like, I've been using Rust for years. This is the first time I've done this kind of crate split, and I'm just so excited by this. Yeah. My wife is not in town this weekend, and I start my new job tomorrow. And I'm sure if my wife were home and I told her about this, she would call me a nerd in an affectionate way. She refers to Komorebi as the mouse slave, because apparently it enslaves the mouse or something. That's how she conceptualizes tiling window managers, and she refers to me and all of us users as window weebs, tiling window weebs. Because whenever I show her something cool to do with tiling window managers, like a video or a GIF that somebody else has uploaded, it always has some freaking anime background or anime girl, and she concluded, probably not unrealistically, that there is in the Venn diagram, hit the microphone, in the Venn diagram of people who use tiling window managers and people who are weebs, it's basically a big circle. It's not even a Venn diagram. Anyway, this is working. That is amazing. That is absolutely, oh my god. Oh my god. What a rush. What a freaking rush. Now, maybe I'm not going to do that in this video. So I think I will, what will I do? So let me take a look at main first. So main, what is now in main? We're importing a whole bunch of stuff from the Komorebi library now. And to be honest, some of that should probably go in Komorebi core. That's for another day. So we're doing the setup of the logging infrastructure here. We have the deadlock detection, which is optional. We have, these are the options for the CLI, which is created using clap rs. And then we have main. And then we are in the main function of the program, and everything is just calling into the Komorebi library. Damn, that's insane. Alright, so it's gonna take me a minute to just go through the diff and craft the commit with a long message. So I will do that offline. I will not bore you all. But what I will do before I go ahead and proceed with all that boring stuff is I will give a shout out to all of the sponsors of this project. All right, so who do we start with today? Thank you to James, Sebastian, Pavel, EFL1P, private sponsor number 1, Chase, Maxwell, DM1681, Red Lobster, Darian, Kwang, Surefire, Solomon, Alex, private sponsor number 2, Evan, Alex, Julian, and Hisayuki. Thank you all so much, my friends. If you too would like to become a sponsor and get these little shoutouts at the end of the videos, head on over to the sponsor page. You can be a one-time sponsor, you can be a monthly sponsor, whatever you like. Honestly, even if it's just $1 a month, your sponsorship means a great deal to me. If, however, you are not in a position to become a sponsor, the very next best thing that you can do is hit subscribe on the YouTube channel, hit like on the videos, leave some comments, and yeah, we are fully monetized now. Thank you all so much, everybody who helped us get to 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. This means that the ads that are gonna run on these videos anyway, now the project gets a small cut of that. It's not big bucks, but every little helps, and it is a really great, easy, passive way for you to help support this project. Alright, my friends, it is time once again to wrap it on up. I hope that whatever you all do today, you have a great day. Free Palestine, and I'll see you all back here next time.